Creative Kids Web TV channel. Today we will be doing a plant science project.
We will be doing it with spring onions and onions.
Let's get started. The materials you will need are spring onions, which still have the roots on the end, like this.
Number 2, onion cutting. You can get onion cuttings at the bottom of an onion. Like this one here.
Number 3, you will need potting mix.
Number 4, you will need a potting container to put your onions and spring onions in. Let's start planting. Step 1, put your potting mix into the potting container. Keep on doing this until it is almost full.
Step 2, make tiny holes and put your spring onions in, like this. Six, and put your spring onions in.
Step 3, dig enough space to bury your onion cuttings in. Do the same for the other onion cutting.
Step 4, cover the empty spaces around your spring onions with dirt.
Step 5, water the plants. Make sure you water them evenly and carefully so you don't damage the plants.
Step 6, have fun and enjoy.
Remember, we will need to check the plants every week and water them every day.